Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Longze meeting. I'm Jerry. Today I'm in Surabaya and in my client's factory, and as you can see that we produce quite good quality wood pellet, 8 millimeters. And as you can see that those are other raw materials. It's quite dry wood sawdust. In this factory we have other machines. I'll show you. It's a single 132 kilowatt wood pellet machine with an 6 meters input conveyor and 132 kilowatt pellet machine. The capacity for this one is 1.5 to 2 ton power, and the finished pellet will go to the silo, and from here they can collect the pellet to demo bags. This is just a finished wood pellet, and this is a complete line. The pellet machine it includes the main machine, the cyclone type dust collector, the grease oil pump, and the electric panel. With this simple machine, conveyor and pellet machine, you can produce a good quality pellet. If you have any inquiry, we invite you to come to visit the pellet line and to see how is the our pellet machine running with wood sawdust. Okay, if you have any interest, please send inquiry to us. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.